So in my last video, I talked about organizing your home and how to keep your space organized and like work on getting it organized. And I kind of explained too that this is coming from no judgment on my end, because organization is a skill that I've had to acquire and work on, and I'm continuing to acquire and work on. I just know that it's something that has definitely changed how I feel at home, and I feel much more at peace when my space is clean and organized. I'm Jody. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you have been around for a little while, then welcome back. Today I just want to go over underneath the sink in the kitchen, because that is an area right now that definitely needs tackling here, and I figured that's kind of an easier one to start with. I tend to like more natural cleaning products, and Craig likes things that smell good. So he'll buy things and I'll buy things, and then we just have a lot of things under the sink. And so I want to pull all of that out and then organize it. If you're doing it on a budget, then you might want to consider just grabbing some baskets from around the house, some things that obviously could be waterproof if you're putting them under the sink, because you never know when a leak is going to happen. If you do have a little extra money to spend, consider getting one of the pull-out drawers that they have at like Lowe's or Home Depot. And it's like a basket system that goes under the sink, and then you can pull it out. I did have one of those at one of our other homes, and it was the best. All right, let's get started and see how I do. Okay, so assessing the situation here, I do believe I'm gonna need at least two baskets, because I wanna put some of Craig's cleaning stuff in one basket and my stuff in another, and I'd like to have matching baskets. So that's a start. I know I'm gonna want that. So I'm gonna see what's under here, pull everything out, find a couple matching baskets, see what needs to go in here and what doesn't. For instance, Craig and I have our own different Windex, because he likes things that are strong and smell, and I like cleaning products that are basically water-based, and I don't really know if they clean well, but they make me feel like I'm not going to get cancer and die. So yeah, we have two separate cleaning solutions oftentimes, and they go from light to heavy. So that's how we're going to organize this, is by what I like to use and by what he likes to use. All right, let's get started. So since this is like already in here, but it's kind of gross, I'm gonna take it out, but I'm gonna keep it because you can see there's like parts that are cut out of it, and I'm gonna use that for a template to cut a new piece, put it in there. And more screws. And I'm not sure that that's actually not supposed to be a part of something. My guess is no. We don't seem to have any problems down here. I don't know what that is, and I don't know if I want to touch it. I don't know what that is. It's just soap, honestly. Okay, I'm going to wipe this down, and then I'm going to get something new to lay down here. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is one of my favorite tools ever. It's the Ryobi vacuum, and it works so well. Like, I can't even believe it. I usually get started and then I can't stop. I just start vacuuming everything. So let me put this down before I get carried away. So something you might notice is that this cabinet is not new. Even though we did just recently remodel the house, we like to use old materials like as often as possible. So since Craig does construction, he will get cabinets and things from jobs that he works on. And so we try to reuse them as much as possible. Better for the environment, better for the pocketbook. hold the phone and cut this at the same time? Oh my God. Perfect. Perfection. And you know what? It doesn't look like my cleaner is even in here. What is that? No. So I use a Shakely cleaner, and it's a concentrate, and you mix it with a ton of water, and we've had it for, I'm not even kidding, like 10 years. Well, more than that, probably 15 years, honestly. So like, who knows if it's actually cleaning at this point, but it smells good. It makes me feel like it is. Then we also fit recyclables under here. Honestly, I don't even know why we're recycling anymore because nobody seems to be doing it. And I mean, where we live still recycles, so kind of feel guilty not doing it. So we're just gonna keep doing it until they tell us that they also are not recycling any longer. So I'm gonna put that there. And obviously we want the dishwashing stuff easily accessible. And since we have 2 of them, I'm gonna put one back here and one here. And then this is just extra Dawn, and I use that when I mop the floor, but I also use it, obviously we just refill the soap pump that's up there, so we don't necessarily need it like right in the front. And then I got this cool, oh shoot, I forgot garbage bags. It's gonna have to fit in there too. And garbage bags have to be easily accessible. So, you know what? They might actually go on top. Yes. Okay, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna be able to use this. I've used this for so many different things in so many different houses. And it's nice. Now, if I had funds that I wanted to spend for under the sink, I would actually go, I think I said this in one of my other videos, I would go buy the pull-out baskets that they have, like at Lowe's or Home Depot. Those are so nice. We've had those before, and they're super functional. I really like them. I think those are gonna fit pretty well under there. These are gonna hold our cleaning supplies. I was hoping this thing of trash bags would fit, because I already have a bag here that we're still getting through, so I'll just leave that there. And that's easily accessible. And then once we run out of these, I'll just get a new bag out of there and put it here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so then I have this plastic one down here that I think I'm gonna use if it'll fit. Oh, it doesn't fit. Hot dang, hot diggity dog. It like almost just fits. Okay, well, don't do that because that would be super irritating. What I wanna do down here are all the tools, like the brushes and things like that. Like I wanna be able to have that in a container down here so that it's holding it all really well. But for now, I also want to see like how much of it I actually have. And so like I said, Craig's favorites are going to go on the right, or at least the stronger stuff that he doesn't mind using. And then the stuff I like to use is going to go on the right. I'm going to grab a towel to wipe some, oh, right here. Wipe some of this down because it's gross. One of the reasons I think it's like important to keep even the cleaning areas under your sink and stuff organized is because if you go to clean, you want to feel like you're grabbing cleaning supplies that are clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want it to look nice too. That's bleach. This is cleaner, hopefully. And then this is my cleaner that I'm hoping Craig didn't throw out, because like, since I moved back, I can't find the actual bigger container that I mix water with that. And then that'll leave room for the vinegar. Okay, so when Craig and I were moving my, ow, that was a piece of wood or something. When Craig and I were moving my stuff back here, we were filling up the trailer and had all my cleaners like in a box, cardboard box, and I don't know what happened, but something got on his hands. Something had spilled, got on his hands, and he touched his eye, and his eye was like, it had swelled up almost immediately. And we didn't know what it was. And so he literally just threw the whole box in the dumpster. So I just realized that the cleaner that I've had for like 15 years, the Shakely stuff, it's no longer, it's all gone. It got thrown out. So that's so sad because I've loved this stuff. But honestly, like I said, I've had it for like 15 years. I don't even know if it's still cleaning anymore. Oh, so I don't know. We just talked about it. I could probably find some more like on Amazon or online somewhere, I'm sure, because I really did like it. So the problem that I'm running into is that, well, I only use one cleaner. And so I think this is actually turning more into, this is going to be the heavier, like more, the stuff Craig likes to use, but then also just stuff we don't really need every day. And then this will be more like the cleaning stuff we use often. Because I just realized I don't really have that much cleaning stuff. Now, does car stuff need to be under the sink? There's not a whole lot of room. Plus, personally, I would rather have the car stuff in a bucket in the basement and go get the bucket with all the car stuff, and then it's all together in one place. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll see how Craig feels about that. He may not love it, but for now I'm gonna put it in a basket. That's an all-natural thing I got on Amazon. It's like a lemon eucalyptus oil, and then you mix it with water and you can like spray it on your body, and it's supposed to be like non-toxic and much healthier than using like DEET or something like that. So I like it. I'm just a little nervous that that might be what got on his eye and made him swell up. I'm not really sure, but. So there's a shelf down in the basement that I'm using as sort of like the home spot, basically, where like light bulbs and all the electric, like extra electrical, frickin' brain. Extension cords, that's the word. So extension cords, and then there's also like extra cleaning stuff, because this company, the Pure and Gentle, we got like a ton of that for free when we got our water softener. So there's like all-purpose cleaner, and then there's also like laundry detergent, and it included like all the soaps basically. They're in little like packets, and so I have a tote down there for that. And so I want to keep all of that like home maintenance stuff kind of in one section down there. So that's where I'll put the extra cleaners. I think I found the perfect thing. Just a regular like shoebox tote or bin. Perfect. Yay! Now I can eat lunch. Woo woo! right, so I think it looks great. So my whole goal was to be able to come over here, open the cabinet, grab my cleaner, my Windex, ready to go. Easy peasy. If I need extra tools, they're under here. Trash bags are right here. Gotta grab soap. It's all easily able to be grabbed and looks good. And then the recyclables are here. So yay, I'm excited. What do you guys think? Are you inspired to do under your kitchen sink now?